Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Tamara and I'm so happy to have you guys here, especially today because we are going to be making plant-based Christmas sugar cookies. And there's nothing better than Christmas cookies, trust me on that one. Today is also a really special day because it's my mom's birthday, so send her some love in the comments, wish her a happy birthday, it will make her day. Every year during Christmas, my family and I, we make these Christmas sugar cookies. It's our tradition. We decorate them together, we cut them into all the little Christmas shapes, and this year is going to be no different. I'm just gonna make our cookies plant-based. They're gonna taste just as good, and I promise you this recipe is extremely easy. I am no baker by any means. I always mess things up, but I made these cookies so well. They were so simple, so trust me, if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. Let's just get into it. Okay, this step is optional, but I like to add a little bit of lemon zest into the cookies. It just adds a lot of flavor. And then instead of butter, we're going to be using margarine. I'm just using this Earth Balance spread because it's a little bit healthier than regular margarine. We're just going to be doing 3/4 of a cup of that, and it also helps if you leave it out of the fridge for a few hours just so it softens. It makes it a lot easier to work with. So you're just going to mix it until it pretty much gets to this consistency. You want it to be a little bit fluffy and creamy, and then you're all good. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. Again, I'm just using coconut sugar because it's a little bit healthier, but you can use whatever sugar you have. And then just mix it up until it's one consistency. Okay, I probably should have measured this, but you're basically going to add a big dash of almond milk, maybe around 2 tablespoons. Just make sure the consistency isn't too watery or too dry. And then just add 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. You're also going to add your vanilla extract and your lemon zest. Okay, this part you're going to want to mix for a while. You really want to make sure that it's airy and fluffy. This looks so good and so creamy, and if only you guys could smell this through the screen because it smells like heaven right now in my kitchen. Okay, and then just add 1 cup of flour into that mixture as well. And then just add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and some salt. Then you're just going to mix all of that flour in and add another cup of flour because if you add them at the same time, you're going to end up in a little bit of a messy situation. So this is pretty much the consistency that you want. As you can see, it's not sticky at all, but it's also not crumbling. Guys, I'm really excited right now because nothing ever goes well when I try to bake something or cook something. I'm just not meant for it, but this is going really well. This recipe is so simple and I think it's actually gonna work. Alright, put some parchment paper on a flat surface and just sprinkle some flour on there so your dough doesn't stick. I actually made 2 batches out of this, so I'm just grabbing 1/2 of the dough and I'm rolling it out with my mini roller. And you want it to be approximately this thick. I'm placing another sheet of parchment paper on top so that I could easily stack them and put them in the fridge. You want at least an hour, but I put mine in for over 2. Okay, so obviously this is the best part. So while your oven is heating up, you're just gonna cut all your shapes, but try to work fast because this dough is a lot easier to work with while it's still cold. And if you are noticing that your dough is starting to warm up and stick a bit more, I just added a bit of flour onto my cookie cutters and it helped a lot. Also, this must be said, the best part about vegan cookies is that you can eat them raw and there's no health concerns. Okay, these are looking absolutely delicious, so you're just gonna let them cool for a bit before you transfer them onto the wire rack and leave them there to cool completely. Alright, our cookies are done. Now we're going to make the icing, which is so super simple. All you need is vanilla extract, some icing sugar, and almond milk. I put approximately 1.5 cups of icing sugar, about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of almond milk. However, if you're going to be decorating all of the cookies you just made, you might want to double this recipe because we did run out of icing. Also, if you want your icing to be a bit more sheer, you can add another tablespoon of almond milk, but I just wanted mine to be thick so I can decorate. You're pretty much just going to whisk that until you get the icing consistency, and then I separated mine into a few different bowls and added a few drops of food coloring. Alright guys, that is it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you're gonna try these cookies this Christmas, let me know in the comments and give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye!